Spotify just unlocked this hidden playlist feature. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and let us see the hidden feature of Spotify. So go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and open any of your playlist and then tap on the three dots you see there. You will then see the option for create cover art. As you can see, this is the beta version of this feature. So tap on it and now tap on the create cover art option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to make changes to your cover art. So go ahead and start by choosing your text. You can then go ahead and add images from your camera roll. You can also change the background and the style if you want, and you can add stickers to your background. So go ahead and be creative and show your creativeness while creating the background, as this will allow you to decorate your design. This will allow you to play with text and color. Once done, tap on the Save button on the top right of your screen, and when prompted, tap on Save again, and with this, your background will be changed. So this was about Spotify's new playlist feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.